Hey guys, amateur law prof here. Trump just called 6 Democratic lawmakers seditious and said that their actions are punishable by death. Now, he held up George Washington as the guy who would have hanged them for it. That is bull. We'll get to that in a second. But here's what those lawmakers actually did. They reminded troops and intel officers that their oath is to the Constitution and that they must refuse illegal orders. That's not sedition. That is basic constitutional law. Every military attorney knows this by heart. Now, our system was designed for this exact same kind of standoff. In Federalist 51, Madison says each branch has to have the tools and the motive to resist encroachment. Congress and the courts are co-equal branches to the executive. They're not background extras for a president who wants everyone to kneel on command, which this president really does. The Supreme Court has already said the president is not a king. In Youngstown, the court stopped Truman from seizing steel mills without authority of Congress. In U.S. v. Nixon, it forced the White House to hand over tapes and made clear that no president is above the law. Washington, the man Trump is hiding behind here and treating this power as dangerous, he wrote that he walked on untrodden ground because every act would be precedent. He shut down talk of making him a monarch, and he walked away after 2 terms because he knew that this country had just bled to get rid of a king. So when Trump throws around traitor, treason, and death for political opponents, that is not toughness. That is not patriotism. What it is authoritarian garbage, and it is dangerous. In this country, the oath is to the Constitution, not to Donald Trump. Until next time.